Hey everyone, in this video I'll be telling you how to equip multiple hairs and accessories on Roblox. First of all, you have to open browser and search for this roblox.com. Now once you open it, guys, you open, just go to avatar. In avatar we have to go to any head and body and go to hair. Now you can see that I already equipped two hair at the same time. Now what you have to do, guys, if you want to equip multiple hairs, just right click on a new hair and just copy the link address, open a new tab, paste your link over here and just copy this asset id from the URL and go back to avatar page and just open this advanced link over here. You will see this advanced link, click on it and just paste your asset id of the new hair here and click on save button and click on save button, guys. Save again and your two hair will be selected. So this is how you can do it. So if you want to equip multiple hairs, repeat the same steps. Hope you like it. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.